till your body gets weak.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, BUR-thuh, and I am back with another video. Today's video is about a company named Firmoo Optical. Firmoo Optical is like an online glasses store, and they sell like affordable and extremely trendy, cute frames. And they come in like non-prescription if you like don't wear glasses, and like prescription glasses, so you can get them prescribed to like actually see through, obviously, whatever. So they're like really cute. They have mad trendy like stuff, like, and I think they have transition lenses too, and I think they do have like sun protection, like sunglasses, like you can get that that lens. Super cute. I got to pick out my own like whatever glasses I wanted, and they finally came, so I'm super excited. So let's see. So they came in like a cute little bag like this, and inside they gave me like a glasses like toolkit. I don't know much about glasses because I never wore, but they gave me like a little cute toolkit, and then they gave me some like 50% off codes so I can share. So holla at me if you want to. And then my glasses. So let's open this up. And then obviously they gave you like the duster. So these were the glasses I got. And look at the side. This is what like sold me. This side design is super cute. Like, and I love like geometric shaped glasses, like just different pair of glasses I won't see on anybody else. And I love the color gold. So, but these glasses were in the, you don't have to write it down because your girl memory is gone. But these glasses, like this particular frame number was S11078M. So that's basically the name of the glasses if you guys want to order them. And the color I got obviously was gold, and the size was, I just got a standard lens with basic coating because I don't need prescription, or like I didn't need sunglasses because it's about to be winter, like I don't need it. But so after they reached out to me, I was like, I ran to go get a pair of glasses because they were so cute. Let me try them on for you. You see, like, ooh, look at me. I look like, I feel so cute with these on, like, and you see this, like, I'm living. I am living. Oh, my lip gloss is popping. But I am living for this right here. Oh my goodness, like, I love that. And the fact that they're like this hexagon, oh, y'all know I'm extra, and I love it. Like, I feel so like, I feel like a little scholar. Facts. So the second I got my code, I ran to the website to go see what I could pick from. So I went, they sent me a link to like the direct set of glasses I can get. And I was like looking for literally a long time because they had so, like, literally so many cute options. Too many. Like, I was just like, I don't know what to do. But, and they also have a try-on experience, so all you would have to do is like upload a selfie of you and like know or like guesstimate your pupil distance. And like they, like, you know, they have the try-on, so like the glasses go on your selfie, so like you see how they would like fit on your face, how they would like suit your face. And like I really loved it. The website was really easy to use. Getting these ones, and I love them. And I feel like I have an oval face, so like these type of shapes, like geometric shapes, like if you have an oval face like me, it's best to go with the like a fun shape, because like they just fit your features so much prettier than like, I feel like square shape like hides my eye, like it just, they can like hide my eyes a little bit. Like I like big, you know, like our face is already long and beautiful, so you know you gotta like, okay, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I just love it. Now these glasses is really dope. Like, ooh, period. Okay. Let me stop. A lot of people have a hard time figuring out like what glasses to pick, like how they know, like how you know they're gonna look nice on you. So I put together a little like help guide, so you know, like it's just to help you pick what shape you could get, because they have every shape you can think of, every style. Like they're so cute. Like, and they're not even expensive, like, and you could get them prescribed and like all these different options. It's lit. So if you have an oval face like me, geometric shapes are like the best for your face, because they're like they're broader, so like they tend to be bigger, so like they cover your whole face, you know, like they cover your whole face, they don't hide your eyes. Like, because when you have an oval shape, oval shape head, your face tends to be a bit, I don't want to say wider, but like our eyes are like set pretty much the same distance apart. If you have a round shaped head, square shape frames or rectangle shape frames work out best for you, because it makes your face appear slimmer and longer. If you have a squarish shape head, oval or round shaped glasses are the best for you. I don't know why, that's what the scientists say. If you have a diamond shaped head, the glasses that are like more funky, like cat eyes, or like oval shaped glasses, because they highlight your cheekbones and like the more delicate parts of your face, like your delicate face features. Like, you have more of a heart-shaped face, it is best for you to get round or square glasses with curved edges. This company is really dope. I am so happy they reached out to me and wanted me to review their glasses, because your girl love it. Nah, I'm day room. But like, nah, these glasses is really. I posted them on my Insta story yesterday, and y'all was like going crazy. But like, I really love these. Let me just show you guys again. Gotta hit them angles. Like, these is really cute. Like, I really like this right here. Oh my gosh, like I wish I could see it in person. Like, I don't even know how to I don't even know how to really show y'all. Like, it's just so cute. Like, I need to know who came up with this. And then they have this comfortable, the ear protector. I don't really know what they called, you know. I don't wear glasses, but like, they're so comfortable, and like they fit perfectly. Like, literally, they fit perfectly. I think they really cute. And I would wear them like they was my seeing glasses. Like, I could literally wear these every day with any outfit, because gold is super cute. But if you guys want to order, I will have a discount code in the description box, or I probably won't, because I only have 5 and I don't want them to be, I want people that are actually gonna buy to get it. So I'll probably post it on my Instagram or my social media. And if you want a pair of glasses, and if you're serious about getting a pair of glasses, slide in my DM and I will send you the code. It's for 50% off. And yeah, like, these glasses are just super cute. Like, oh, thebomb.com. But thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for Firmoo Optical for sponsoring this video, even reaching out to me and wanting me to get my hands on a pair of your popping, trendy, super cute, super affordable glasses. I had a blast making this video, as per usual, and I'm gonna go outside and debut with my new glasses. And I know everybody will love them, because if you have any questions, hit me up on my social media. I'm always on it. Not always on it, but you know, like, I will answer you. So be sure to like, subscribe. I'll put all the details in the description box, all the links to where I got my glasses. And I will see you guys in the next video.